So now you've upgraded your Apple computer and you want to know what to do to freshen up the old one and prepare it for sale. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first and foremost, you want to go ahead and plug in your old computer to power. This way you can ensure that you have enough power to reformat the drive, download the new operating system, and then install it as well. So now, there are a few things that you want to do first. First of all, you want to make sure you save everything you need. All these items I really don't need. I'm not really worried about that, but you can go ahead and make a time machine backup. I recommend doing that, or with your new machine, if it's, I believe it's OS X Sierra or newer, you can literally migrate all your data from one to the newest one via Wi-Fi. I went ahead and chose to just save all my stuff that I wanted onto a hard drive, and then go ahead and refresh, make a new fresh install for my new computer. You choose what you want to do on your end. So I recommend, first and foremost, is to go ahead and sign out of a few accounts. First is your iCloud account. It's here in the Apple logo, System Preferences, and then iCloud. If you click on this, it'll bring it up, and then you can go ahead and sign out of it. Next is your messages. I would go ahead and open that up, and then sign out in Preferences. And then, last and foremost, is your iTunes account. So go ahead and open up iTunes and deauthorize. Some of these songs are my wife's. No, seriously, they are. If you don't believe me, oh well. So now it's taking a little bit of a second to go ahead and there we go. So authorizations, you can go ahead and deauthorize this computer. I've already done that, so I don't need to do that. And then you're good to go. So next thing is, if you're for sure that you are good to go as far as formatting your drive and everything, you will go ahead and shut down. Make sure it's shut down. And then what you're gonna do is hold Command and R and hit the power button. And it should bring up, while you're holding Command and R, the recovery menu. Oops. It might take a little bit. All right, there we are. I went ahead and sped it up for you because it took a little bit of time. So just so you know, it does take some time. Give it a little bit of time and you'll be good to go. So the first and foremost, what we're gonna do is disk utility. We're gonna go ahead and format the drive. And then you're gonna wanna do your actual drive that you're using currently. So that's this one for me. So erase. And I'll go ahead and use the format that they provided here as the default. Go ahead and erase. And it'll take a little bit. Actually, that was pretty quick. And then you're good to go to install. So you can go back and then click on reinstall macOS. So this should work for anything OS X Sierra, High Sierra, Mojave. I think that's after Mojave, or Mojave is after High Sierra, I believe. So hit continue. And this is what's going to take a while. So what it's going to do is it's going to ask you, do you want to install? And then it's going to verify that you're eligible. And then it's going to ask you to agree to their terms. It's going to ask you what drive do you want to use, so that's going to be the one that we formatted. Then what's going to do, it's going to download it and install it. And so this will take a little bit of time. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up for you. And here we go. Now, it took a little bit of time to download the OS and install it, but now it's installed and ready to go. So you would just pick your region and then move to your Wi-Fi network and then restore from a backup or continue as new. Now, since you're selling it, most likely you are good to go, and you can literally just close the screen and go ahead and sell it on Craigslist, eBay, or whatever you want. All right, there we go. And now you're ready to sell your MacBook or iMac or Mac Mini or Mac Pro. It should work for all of those. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Go ahead and hit subscribe and that like button. And I'll see you next time.